Hey everyone, this is Daren with Madcap Toys. We're going to be doing another unboxing video. Now, I'm not totally sure what's in each one of these boxes because we've been getting hordes of boxes and orders in. I just opened this one just a few seconds before you got on this video with me tonight. But let's look. This one here I got from Jonathan Ross. He made me a good deal, so I took advantage of it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Over there. See if I can get her open here. Alright. Thunderbird, Marvel's Thunderbird and Storm, X-Men. Looks like a dual set. Again, many of you guys know how I feel about collecting action figures. If you're going to get anything action figure, I highly recommend getting multi-packs, because unless it's the BAFs, Build-A-Figures, or somebody that you particularly like, that's a little harder to get, like let's say Thanos or somebody like that. These guys here, when they do this multi-pack, seems like they maintain their value and go up in value a whole lot more. So let me give you a roundabout shot of this box. We're not going to be unboxing this box because I got this to sell. And I got a very good deal. And I want to say thank you real quick to Jonathan Ross. I'll put that over there. Now this here is a box I ordered a while back, and I owe Lonnie some feedback because I am so far behind. Kathy and I, as many of you know, went out to Exit 76 in Edinburgh, Indiana.
And it's the Antique Mall. Exit 76 Antique Mall.
Yeah. Did some shopping. Basically some treasure finding for us, because we're currently sort of what I call binging vintage toys, because we're trying to get built up already. And I know it's early and it seems weird, but we're always in the prep for the next season. So we are already prepping our buys now for the holiday season of 2021. Sounds weird, but you guys that are in business know what we're talking about. You're always moving to the next season. Okay, let's see what Lonnie gave us. Okay, he gave us his little stickers as always. Got about 3 of them.
Nice.
Says thanks thank you so much, Kathy and Daren, from Lonnie and Candace. And again, guys, we always appreciate you guys.
Let's get a close-up of that real quick.
Okay. We always appreciate you guys doing your packing, Lonnie and Candace. If you see this video, I appreciate the good job that you guys do. Really appreciate the stuff that you offer us. And honest with you, the deals and the shipping combination that you always give me. All right, I don't like this box, so I'm going to put him over here. I want to make sure you see these action figures, Kathy, because I did get quite a bit of Ghost Rider action figures and a few others in here. This guy's name is Outcast. I want you to get that. Let me just throw this stuff on the floor. Let me give you a back view. Okay. I'm thinking those guys, just off the top of my head from history, is like 1993 to 1996. I could be wrong. I'll double check it for you. I always get these. No, I'm right on Toy Biz. Okay. All right, let me show you another one. We got a Wildcats action figure. Again, let me see the date on these. They should all about be around the same genre or vintage as it was. Yeah, 1995 here. Okay. Now I did not see her name, Kathy. Voodoo, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Give you a back shot.
Okay. Very nice card.
Very nice for being, what, 20 years old?
More than that.
A little older than that?
Yeah.
Now this here's something I want to shout out to you guys. His card's a little bent, but that's like basically from storage wear and stuff, but he still works. I want to show that in a video when I sell this guy. Fantastic for the Thing. I always try to get the Thing when I can find him, because he's one of those, he's a 2005.
And it's a special one. It's called Stomp and Clobber Thing.
Yes. There we go.
Okay.
Alrighty. Those packages there seem to be a little bit more collectible because you see the width and the girth compared to like These guys here, a little bit better quality. And honestly, they seem to keep their collector value a little bit better too, guys. All right, let me get this here for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is Allura from Voltron. Okay, Mom.
Very nice. What do you know? What year that was made?
Let me look. I know it's more recent. I'm not as up on these as a lot of the older ones in the 80s. Okay, this says 1998 by Trendmaster. Let me give you a roundabout view there. And if you guys hear a few pops going off, that's me stepping on a little bit of this double bubble mailer stuff that we got packing in here.
Bubble wrap.
Yeah, bubble wrap. Okay.
Something our granddaughter likes to pop.
Oh.
And I have to tell her no.
All for them. Papa,
Sally.
can I pop your bubble wrap? No, baby. Papa has to have that. People get upset. All right, here we go. Games of Thrones. Jon Snow, correct?
That's a new one. I've not seen it in that
That's a
type
newer.
of card.
Yeah, yeah.
Jon Snow from Game of Thrones.
Yes. It's very popular, usually. I can't keep him up there, so just let me know.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Going on. Here we go. Now, again, guys, if you notice, I always like to get these because they just look better. The selling appeal is, to me, on the cards here and the way it's presented. This here is X-Men. This should be Nightcrawler. 2001, a little bit later. I'd say it's from the cartoon variants of the WB stories, X-Men Evolutions. Okay, let me give you the back show. There you go. Okay, while you're looking at that, guys, here was my favorite character in that latest Fantastic Four movie. There we go. Invisible Woman. Now, I know I've told you guys, but always get the girls if you get a chance in the series. This here is the lady in the set. So
again, for anybody that's new and hasn't been watching us, Daren, why is buying female action figures so important?
Okay, well, think about the Fantastic Four, the show that was released here. You had the villain, male. 3 of the teammates, male. The only one that you had that was not male is this girl right here, the Invisible Woman. So that means basically a lot of times when they send these out, if you buy them direct, a lot of times you'll get one female and one villain in the box. So that's why you want to get it, because she's going to, a lot of times, sad to say, and I've said it over and over again, people think it's bad, but don't take it that way, guys. Excuse me, got something in my throat. A lot of the female action figures will end up in the dump bins.
Right.
Because a lot of the little boys, you know, at that time, they want to be the Thing. They want to be Dr. Doom. They want to be Mr. Fantastic or Flame On or whoever. Excuse me. They're not going to want to be the Invisible Woman. You know? And so a lot of times they'll be put into the dump bins at the stores, like when I worked at KB or Circus World or Madcap Toys. We don't do that. But a lot of the people just don't think about it. And the real collectors need to realize that if you can only pick one figure at the time, get the female first and then get the villain. And then after that, you can build up the rest of the set. The only other one you might have a hard time getting would be Thing, because he's just very popular. He's about like the Hawk. Anytime you see a Hawk figure, get it. Excuse me. Kathy, I'm going to let you talk for a minute while I get something to drink real quick.
Okay, so what we have up here is Fantastic Four. Another Invisible Woman. I believe it's another type. It's called the Power Blast Invisible Woman. I don't know what size figure. I think are these the 6-inch figures?
They're going to be 6 to 7. Yeah.
6 to 7-inch figures. We had the 12-inch before in the past, and had the 3.75, but this one looks like it's a little bit bigger than that, as
Right.
Daren had said. And yeah, it's a really, really, really nice card.
All right, thank you for filling in. Okay, and here we go. Another X-Men Evolution. very hot card, very nice presentation. Can you see this hanging on your wall? I mean, just imagine this, guys. If you're collectors, this guy hanging on your wall, Sabretooth. Okay, and now this guy here is from the X-Men Evolutions. Again, I'd say it's 2000. Yeah, it's 2001. But look at that card. When I talk to you guys, I'm not talking to you to sell these to you. I'm talking to the collector in you guys. If you're going to buy something, try to look for presentation. Unless you're going to take something out of the card, you know, look at the box, look at the pill, look at the color, the coloration, look at the purity here of the plastic. There, as far as I can see, and I'm colorblind, so forgive me if there's a bit. Kathy will let you know here in a second. I don't see yellow. Is that right?
There's yellow on the card.
A little. No, I'm talking here.
Plastic bubble? No, it's free of that. It's clear.
Yeah, but I'm saying if there's yellow in the plastic, that means somewhere there may be even a microscopic hole or crack somewhere that you might not see it or I might not see it unless we just fine tooth it. And that means air has got inside. But if you don't and it's sealed, the plastic and the glue is sealed all the way around, that is a good card.
Especially for its age.
Yes. You think about that. 2001, 19 years. 2 decades almost.
2001 would be
right?
20 years.
20 years. So 2 decades. So, guys, go for... I'm just going to give you an idea. Which would you want hanging on your wall as a collector? Now, I can tell you right now, for me, and I know some of these are older, okay, take that in mind, I'm always drawn to this because of the bubble and the color scheme. The color scheme is what gives it pop and snap and sex appeal as far as to collectors. And that is what's important when you're trying to get your money back out of it. So, you know, just keep that in mind when you're collecting, guys. What looks good and what has that great color variation, what has that pop and that snap that says, hey, man, I'm worth keeping, I'm worth hanging on to, I'm worth buying. So I want to thank you guys today again for stopping by. You guys have a great, wonderful day. If you would, give us a comment. Tell us something you think or what you like, what looks good to you, something you may have or collect. Don't forget to smash that bell button so you get more video alerts about videos like this that we put on. And hey, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to us and share the word with your friends about us. All right, guys, you guys have a great, wonderful day.